Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this fabulous braided ponytail by Outre. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look and installed it and my thoughts, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have the new 42-inch braided ponytail by Outre and I am super excited. Okay, so here's how it looks. I wanted to show you guys like the construction of the ponytail. So it's super long and the braid is super duper neat, as you guys can tell, so kudos to Outre for that. Here it is on the stock card model, which it looks really cute. So here is the cap construction. So it does have two combs on the side and one comb in the middle of the ponytail, and then it also has that piece, but that piece does not stretch. Okay, I'm showing you, it does not stretch, but it does still wrap around the ponytail. And then this is how it is constructed. But I'm like, girl, how we gonna do this? Okay, because I still have my braids in for my protective styling and under my wig, and I'm not trying to take them out. So step one for me is going to be to lay down my edges the best that I can. I'm going to be using Murray's Edge Wax to do that. So yeah, you can just do it however you want to. I like to go excessive on the baby hairs because, as I have told you guys in many videos, I am from the super huge baby hair / adult hair era. So if you don't want to do that, then just lay your edges down however you would like to and whatever makes you feel comfortable. I beat nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby. Now that I've laid down my edges and everything, I'm going to tie them down, and this is going to go pretty quick on the video, but I did let my edges sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? But I'm just tying it. You could tie it with any kind of scarf. I like to use one that's more of a silky texture because it seems like it lays it down a lot quicker. But anyways, now we're going to remove that scarf, and then we're going to be putting on a wig grip. Yes, a wig grip, because I'm actually going to be using a half wig to go ahead and slick down a ponytail. This is I can't remember which one this is by Outre, but just get one that is not like that's not too long or anything, so you can get like a small bun. I'm gonna go in with some mousse by L'Oreal just to go ahead and kind of like slick that back and make sure my ponytail is laying like nice and flat as I possibly can get it, because you know, you want this to be like flat and everything and seamless, especially because this is like a sleek braid type of look. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get that down as flat as I can, and then I'm going to put it in a ponytail, and or I'm gonna start wrapping it in a bun and then apply like a ponytail. And I'm getting that bun down as small as I can so that I can seamlessly wrap this ponytail around, okay, as you guys can see. And make sure your kitchen is together too. I tried to do my kitchen as best as possible. I think it looks okay, it looks decent enough, so make sure you guys get that kitchen. So now I'm going to begin to insert the combs into the bun so that I can start wrapping that excess hair around the ponytail so that I can get that professional look and also secure my ponytail on there. So as you guys can see, I am just wrapping it tightly so that I can secure the ponytail on there. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one no be. To secure my wrap, I'm just gonna apply some holding spray just to make sure that is laying down nice and flat. So here's how it looks. I am gonna show you guys how it falls on me. As you guys can see on the screen there, it does fall pretty long on me. So yeah, that is really cute. I love this look. Like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So we gotta hide that line of demarcation, right? And how are we gonna do that? We are going to do it with a cute headband. This one is from Taste Levels. Make sure you guys head over to tastelevels.com so you guys can get you one, okay? But yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is how I got the look without having to take my braids down, honey. And this is the finished look. You guys know, of course, I will go ahead and leave or I will go ahead and finish off the video, excuse me, with my final thoughts on the ponytail. And this outfit is from Rainbow and everything. If you guys want the full details, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I will have a reel up there. So yeah, I will let you guys finish out the video.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this ponytail, as well as us trying to get this on without having to take our under the wig braids out, let's just go ahead and talk about it. As you guys can see, I was very eager to wear this ponytail, okay, because I was like, I'm not gonna take my braids down, but I will get this ponytail in. And as you guys can see, we got it in. I think that it looks as best as it could, you know, without me taking down my braids. I actually think it looks pretty good, honestly. Like, I wish I would have like realized this a long time ago, because there has been ponytails that I wanted to try, but I just didn't try them due to the fact that you know, I am taking better care, or my mom is taking better care of my hair, so I don't really want to take out my braids. I only leave out a little bit of edges, so I was like, a ponytail is pretty much impossible. But I'm so glad that I, you know, just thought about this. Now, if anybody else has did it on YouTube before, I have never seen it, okay? I've never seen it, or I would have been doing this a long time ago. So yeah, but anyways, here is the ponytail in all its beautiful glory. I have actually been wanting to try a long braided ponytail for a long time, but as you guys know, my dilemma with my braids, and as well as I was like, girl, how am I gonna get this braid? Like, I don't know how to, like, you know, do all of that stuff, like make the braid this long. Now, and I was like, I probably could do it, but I'm too lazy. You guys know I like something that's quick and slaying. So yeah, this braided ponytail is absolutely beautiful. So this ponytail is 42 inches. Now, what you want to keep in mind is how it looks on me. It may look different on you. I am short, and I do have a shorter neck in case you want to use that for a reference. I am 5'2", so yeah, so it might look different on you, but it is pretty long. I feel like it's going to, like, for me, it's going like all the way to my knees. As you guys seen, like, this goes really far down. On the stock car model, it goes like just like to her butt here, as you guys can see. So just depending on your height and everything, but I still feel like this is going to look good if you like that look. And I'm just so here for it. Like, look at how cute this is. This is such a cute summer protective style. Like, this is perfect. Like, even if you don't have to wear it like I'm wearing it, if you just slick your hair back into a ponytail and put this on, like, it's still gonna be cute. Like, this is just the cutest to me. The cutest protective hairstyle. Like, and I'm so here for it. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this summer because, honey, look at this. And I'm so glad the first time that I'm getting this, it just came out so beautifully, because I've wanted it, like I said before, and I was just not sure. Like, I was like, girl. One thing I will mention about it though is that you need to get your bun down to as small as you can, okay? Because if you don't, then you won't be able to cover it. I did have to minimize my bun a little bit, because I was like, ooh, like, this is, you know, it was like a little bit, I mean, it could have passed, but I was like, I want this to be as nice as it can be for my fabulous divas. So you just get your bun down to be very small, because the way that this ponytail is set up, like, the area where you do the wrapping, like, it's not that much. So if you have a big bun and you're trying to cover that and conceal that, it's going to be pretty difficult. So the unfortunate thing about this ponytail is that it is sold out. I had to search high and low to get this one, and yeah, it was a struggle, okay? It was a struggle. So yeah, I don't know if I come upon like any links or anything. Of course, I will leave them in the description box below. But yeah, overall, I really do like this ponytail. Like, for real, it's really cute. Before I go, I did want to let you guys know that this headband is from Taste Levels. I don't know, and that is a company by a fellow YouTuber, Dom the Tastemaker. She slays everything, okay? And I know you guys probably already know who she is, but this is from her website. I don't know if they are sold out, because they are super cute, so I was like, I don't know if they're sold out, but if they're not, this is from tastelevels.com. so if you guys are interested in it, then definitely head over there so you could purchase yourself one. But yeah, that is pretty much it, divas. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know, did you get your hands on it before it went sold out? Did you? Let me know, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely don't want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.